Ever pondered on the pathway to becoming a museum curator? Picture a role where you're the guardian of history, selecting and arranging artifacts that tell stories of our past. Let's delve into the educational journey that leads to this fascinating profession. Embarking on this journey, you start with completing your 10+2 in arts. Then you'll dive into the fascinating world of the past with a bachelor's degree in history. But your intellectual adventure doesn't stop there. You'll deepen your understanding with a master's degree in history or archaeology. For those who wish to further specialize, a PhD awaits. Each stage, from undergraduate to advanced studies, adds a crucial layer to your expertise. Remember, every step in this journey is crucial to becoming a successful museum curator. What courses will you take on this journey, you ask? Well, you'll start with a bachelor's degree in history, which takes 3 years. Then a 2-year master's degree in either history or archaeology. Finally, a 3-year PhD program. Each course adds a unique brick to the foundation of your career as a museum curator. Getting into these courses may require clearing entrance exams, or it could be merit-based. Each university and degree level, be it bachelor's, master's, or PhD, has its own set of criteria. Now, let's touch upon some of the top colleges in India for aspiring museum curators. These include the National Museum Institute of History of Art, Conservation and Museology, Banaras Hindu University, and more. Choosing the right college is a significant step in this journey. Upon completion of your studies, a world of opportunities awaits you. As a museum curator, your expertise could be sought in various establishments such as museums, where the core of your work lies. You could also land roles within zoos, aquariums, and botanical gardens, where you could curate exhibits that educate the public about the natural world. Historical sites too could use your skills to preserve and present their rich past. As a museum curator, you will be the guardian of our history, culture, and heritage. So, that's the intriguing journey to becoming a museum curator. From your initial art studies through specialized history or archaeology degrees to a vast array of employment opportunities. Remember, the past is your playground as a museum curator. The question is, are you ready to play?